All right, it's room 826 of the Golden Nugget in Lake Charles. This is a corner suite. I need to use the key first. There we go. All right. There we go. So you can kind of see all the way into the lake. There's the restroom. Is this? Oh, this is the half bath. Okay. So that's nice. All right. And then over here, we have probably a coat. Yeah, coat closet. Nice. Ironing board and iron. And we've got the little kitchenette area, basically, with one TV. Kind of like a bar setup, looks like. So you can sit here and eat. And then you've got the sink with the usual stuff. And then here's a refrigerator. And they said, yep, it's an actual refrigerator that we can use. So that's awesome. All right. And then, oh, we're going, oh, that's a mirror over there. TV here. I looked down here and I thought that was another hallway. It's just a mirror. And then we go into the bedroom. Oh, wow. Okay. So another TV, of course, king bed, and another access to the balcony again. It's terrible weather, which is probably why we were able to get the corner on this one. And the bathroom. Well, if you want a tub in your hotel room, that's one way of doing it. That's for sure. Nice big shower. And let's see. You got plenty of room in here. It's probably even accessible, I would imagine. And wouldn't you know it, another TV in the bathroom in case you're taking a bath and you want to watch TV. How about that? And then what do we got here? Another closet. So you can hang up stuff there. All right. And then if we go ahead and kind of show you, we've got this door opens just for a view. And they do have concerts outdoors sometimes over here in this little area. I do know that. They'll have little concerts. You see the beach access, which is very cool. And then again, over here, you've got access to this balcony. And I will say this, if I can get out, this balcony has a view of our favorite restaurant here at the Golden Nugget, Bill's Bar and Burger, right there on the beach. Best burgers that I've had probably at any casino. We were only on the 8th floor, so it's not that great, but actually I don't even care. I don't hate it at all. There's the other door to the living room. This is the lake. Forgot the funny name of the lake that they have here in Lake Charles. There's the bridge that you have to come over from I-10. You take that bridge to get over here. You can see the golf course right out there. And you have it. So this is room 826, Golden Nugget, Lake Charles. And hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try and get some action down in the casino a little bit. Hopefully get some more hand pace. All right. Later.